Hi everyone, welcome back for another crypto trade episode. In this video, I will show you how to set this quick and easy scalping strategy that will allow you to invest your money and get high profits. This strategy works for crypto and forex. This strategy works on 5-minute and 15-minute time frame. Just watch this video until the end to learn how to use these great Tradingview indicators and thus get an extra income. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing and activating notifications. You will be immediately notified every single time I post a new video. To add the first indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type Moving Average Converging. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Keep it at the default settings. To add the second indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type Squeeze Momentum. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Click on Settings and in Inputs tab, change KC length to 10. Click OK to finish. To add the third and last indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type Volume Oscillator. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Keep it at the default settings. Setup is complete. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. As soon as I post a new video, you will be notified immediately. Thanks to these very smart indicators, you can follow the market trend and find high probability trade entries to maximize profits. I will use Moving Average Converging indicator to provide the trend direction. I will use Squeeze Momentum indicator to show the entry point of the operation. I will use Volume Oscillator to confirm if the market is enough volatile in that particular moment. Have you already smashed the like button? Doing that helps a lot in the growth of the channel. For a buy order, moving average converging line must be green. The candle must close above the green line. Squeeze momentum indicator must be green. Volume oscillator blue line must be above the zero line. If these conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss below the nearest swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. I hope you have understood the buying strategy. For a sell order, moving average converging line must be red. The candle must close below the red line. Squeeze momentum indicator must be red. Volume oscillator blue line must be above the zero line. If these conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss above the nearest swing high. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. I hope you have understood the selling strategy. Can your trading account survive a market crash? Here are 5 quick tips to keep in mind. This is simply a more constructive way of saying don't panic. Sure, it can be unnerving to see market heat maps all flashing red, so you gotta remind yourself to keep a cool head and focus your energy into looking for profit opportunities. On the other hand, let's assume you're able to bank on big market moves and making it rain. Should you keep pressing your advantage? Under normal circumstances, probably, but during market crashes, you might want to consider playing it safe. You see, investors are extra moody and sensitive in times like these, so risk appetite can shift on a dime. Even the slightest whiff of a rebound or positive development can lead to a sudden rally before the gains are sharply unwound later on. If you're already looking at decent gains from a particular setup, you might be better off taking the profits. Be mindful of leverage. Leverage is a double-edged sword, which means you might end up gutting your portfolio if you don't wield it properly. While leverage gives you the ability to trade positions larger than your balance, it can also wind up closing your entire account if price moves against your trade. As briefly mentioned earlier, asset prices tend to spike around when investors are feeling jittery. Look into other asset classes. Trading during a market crash is not as simple as shorting everything. Some markets don't even allow short selling, while others have circuit breakers that prevent prices from tumbling any lower. If you decide to stay out of the markets during a drastic sell-off, you could use the time to learn about other asset classes and financial instruments that could offer better profit opportunities. I will now show some examples of buy and sell orders. Moving average converging line is green. The candle closes above the green line. Squeeze momentum indicator is green. Volume oscillator blue line is above the zero line. As these conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss below the nearest swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been successfully closed. Let's look for the next trade. Moving average converging line is red. The candle closes below the red line. Squeeze momentum indicator is red. Volume oscillator blue line is above the zero line. As these conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss above the nearest swing high. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been closed with profit. As you can see, this strategy is quite simple to follow, but very profitable. If you are interested in having very positive results, use this proposed strategy. Test it and leave your opinion and results below in the comments. If you liked the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notifications. This helps a lot in the growth of the channel. If you have any indicator or strategy that you want to see analyzed, leave your idea in the comments with the name of the indicators so I can study and analyze them. If it is interesting, I will produce a video with it. I will read all the suggestions you post. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching it until the end. See you next time.